to Trusting Your Taste Buds with Tina, and today we're going to be making whole wheat peanut butter cookies. Okay, so first I get my dough ready. This is 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Okay, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. And then give it a little stir. And then I'm gonna put it off to the side for now. In here, I have 1 cup of peanut butter, creamy peanut butter. If you want to have nuts in this, that's fine, but I would add them separately at the end. Half a cup or 1 stick of butter. I let it sit and soften at room temperature. Half a cup of packed brown sugar. Half a cup of regular white sugar. 2 eggs. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so now I'm going to blend this up. And as with most of my cookies that I use whole wheat flour, I add a bit of water. This is 1/4 cup of water, cold to room temperature. You just don't want it warm because it could interact with the eggs. So I'll pour it in and blend again. Okay, and now you can see it looks pretty creamy. And now I'm gonna slowly add the flour and blend it in. Okay, so it's all blended. I just like to scoop the sides down to keep it all together. Alright, so I just like to scoop it all down, keep it all together, and then we're going to put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour so that the whole wheat flour can absorb some of that moisture. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so now it's time to bake the cookies. I have the oven set to 350 degrees and it's preheated. I have my cookie sheet and I have the dough that has been in the fridge for a little over an hour. And I'm just going to use my cookie scoop here. If you don't have a cookie scoop, that's fine. You can just use a spoon. You just want to try to make them all around the same size so that they'll cook evenly. Okay, now we're gonna put them in the oven for around 14 to 18 minutes. I usually check them around 14 and see if they just need to be in there a little bit longer. You'll notice the cookies will start to get a little bit brown on the edges, and then that means that they're done. Okay, so the cookies, as you can see, they're done. They got a little bit golden brown. They were in the oven for 16 minutes. And then I let them sit and cool for a minute. And now you can see soft on the bottom. Really good, really good. So you can find the full recipe for these on the website. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes like this. Thanks.